Gyoza.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yum. That tastes amazing. That's so fresh. Got lacy effects. It doesn't get better than that. Like, you can tap dance on it.
Who needs a restaurant?
Dried mushrooms got way more flavor, but you gotta hydrate them first. But if you're gonna use ground pork, don't use that 10% sawdust shit. Or do like me and grind your own with some grated garlic, and by partially freezing it, you make it easy. Kinda. But at the price of meat these days, it's totally worth it. The rest of this dumpling is chives, a couple diced cabbage leaves, dice up those hydrated mushrooms, and add them sake, sesame oil, soy sauce, a touch of baking soda if you're making your own ground pork to ensure that it's tender. But give it a good mix and set it aside.
You want the round wonton wrappers for this, but don't overfill them. A little water is all you need to close them. Pinch the middle, and do the gyoza 3-pleat on either side. To cook, first brown the bottoms in a little canola oil. The dipping sauce is rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and julienne ginger. Mix some potato starch and water, pour it around the pan, cover with the lid, and allow them to cook through. Once they're cooked through, remove the lid and let that lace continue to form. When all that water's evaporated, turn them out to reveal that beautiful lacy coating.